Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're drawing a heartwarming moment between siblings, a big sister lovingly feeding her baby brother. Let me tell you a little story as we draw this adorable scene. Grab your pencils and let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a caring big sister named Mia. She loved spending time with her baby brother, Noah. One sunny afternoon, Noah was feeling sleepy, so Mia decided to feed him his milk while he rested in her lap. Let's start by sketching Mia's outline, her head, flowing hair, and gentle smile. As Noah snuggled close, Mia whispered stories about the stars and clouds, hoping to keep him entertained. Let's draw Noah resting comfortably in her lap, with his tiny hands holding on to her for comfort. Don't forget to add the feeding bottle and their expressive faces. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's bring this sweet story to life. Use soft pastels to color their clothes, perhaps a calm blue for Mia and a cozy orange for Noah. Add shading to give depth to their hair and clothing. Picture this as the warm memory they'll cherish forever. Mia and Noah's bond reminds us of the love between siblings, and now you've captured that moment in art. If you enjoyed this tutorial and story, please like, share, and subscribe for more heartfelt art. See you next time.